Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video we want to find the value of this expression 27 divided by 9 divided by 3 then times 3 cubed. Are you ready to solve? Let's go and get started. According to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M and D stands for multiplication and division, and A and S stands for addition and subtraction. We first do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. So here first we do this exponent. 3 cubed equals 27. So we have 27 divided by 9 divided by 3 then times 27. In this expression we have two divisions and one multiplication. As we know, division and multiplication have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. So first this division, 27 divided by 9 gives us 3, and 3 divided by 3 then times 27. 3 divided by 3 is just 1, so 1 times 27, and this is equal to 27. So our final answer to this problem is just 27.